Hey guys, how's it going? So, in this news, we're going to be talking about Canopy Growth to acquire Supreme, the Supreme company. There was some big news this morning about Canopy Growth acquiring Supreme. What I think about this? Well, first of all, I really don't think Canopy needs the needs the production from Supreme, but Supreme does have revenue coming in. They do have decent gross margins, and there needs to be consolidation in the MJ sector. So, and I think Supreme just wants out of the game. Like, I don't think management really even cares anymore. They probably feel like investors are not going to pay too much attention to their company simply because they too small of a player and there's way too much competition in the market. So they wanted to sell out their company. So they went to Canopy, and Canopy agreed to acquire their company. This is not very much dilution to Canopy, but then Canopy now gains some revenue and more production facilities. So Canopy can shut down the facilities that produce too much product. I mean, the cost to produce is too high. They can just use Supreme facilities instead. So I mean, is this a good news for Supreme? Yeah, but at the same time, for people who bought Supreme at $2 or $1.62 or $1.50, it's not that great of a deal. But for people who bought it at 12 cents, 15 cents, you just made away with 3xing your money. So good on you. So I mean, I feel like more deals like this in the MJ sector is gonna go like this because, let's be honest, there's way too many MJ companies. They need to consolidate. They're probably going to be finding other guys to consume them. And then if you look on Sedar, they did pretty good. 3 months ending December 31st, they generated $18 million. Their production cost was 9.27, and their gross profit was 8.35 million, which is about 45% gross margins, which is not bad. Gross margin excluding their fair value adjustment. Realized fair value change on inventory and sold on impact. Okay, well. They will almost break even. I guess they were actually profitable because if you take out a monetization and share-based compensation, they were profitable because they made $8.3 million gross margin, excluding their fair value items. And so they were profitable on an EBITDA basis that quarter. And they make more margin than Canopy, and Canopy would get $20 million of cash, which, it is what it is. I mean, it's not that great. They do gain $200 million of property, plant, and equipment. So, and inventory of $25 million, even though Canopy doesn't need any more inventory. Anyways, yeah, I mean, it's good because Canopy gained more revenue, but Canopy still needs to be profitable. Canopy's shareholders are not too happy with this because their stock is down 2.84%. Yeah. Remember how I said Planet 13? Their stock is valuable. They should really go out and do similar things to Canopy. They should use their valuable stock, because the most valuable thing Planet 13 has is their stock. Their stock is their greatest asset. They should use their greatest asset, which is their stock, to acquire attractive assets. And an attractive asset would be Ianthus. just like what Canopy did with acquiring Supreme. I mean, they don't have to, but man, Ianthus is such a cheap company right now. I mean, they could offer them a premium of $100 million. That would be, 64 cents. I still double my money. But then, Planet 13 gets a really attractive asset. They can get, the convertible note holders to convert their notes into shares, and then after that, Planet 13 will be acquiring a really attractive asset, and then all the debt will be converted into shares, which will be acquired by Planet 13. So Planet 13 will be a very attractive asset company, because now they're multi-state operator, and they don't just operate in the US. And Ianthus does have really, really attractive assets, in my opinion. So yeah. Canopy's down. AABB is up 12 cents. Funware, I plan to make a video over this on the weekend. Ianthus is down half a penny. High Tide today is up almost 4 cents. That's pretty good. Big BIGGCN. I bought a little bit of stock of this. G-Tech Holdings. G-Tech is up a penny today. HUT is up 57 cents a day. VEGN down to 26.5 cents. Thinking of buying back into this stock. I don't know. I sold out of this stock at 41 cents because it looked like it was downtrending, and now it's at 26 cents. It's crazy. Lordstown Lordstown. Woo, look at Lordstown. Go Lordstown, go. Up 70 cents right now, 6.01%. I wonder if there's any news on Lordstown. Why is it up so much? Maybe it's just the Wall Street bettors gathering together and pumping their shorts out of this. One of the two scenarios. I don't know. XL Fleet. XL is up to it's bouncing back. Romeo Power is bouncing back. Cresco Labs today is down 8 cents. GameStop is bouncing back a little bit. SOS is bouncing back a little bit. TAT is bouncing back a little bit. And the market is still kind of green right now. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.